Good morning everybody, Belinda here. I have decided finally that I'm going to take the plunge and do one with a hairdryer. So let's get started. I don't know how this is going to work out, but we'll see. If it doesn't work out, then we'll probably end up doing a swap. So I think what I'm going to do first is add a bit of my white. So this is my recipe. Put a bit more white here. Okay. Then I'll go in with some yellow. This is lemon yellow. And turquoise. Actually I think I'll go in with the purple first. Magenta. So what I'm actually looking for is, I think if you've watched any of my other videos you would have noticed that I have all of the ones that I do are quite delicate. So that is what I'm after. Let's see if I can get that. And then on top of that I will just put my bloom recipe again. I also want to see if there's going to be any kind of cracking when it dries, so that will be quite interesting. Okay, so my hairdryer also only has, well, it has 3 little doodads on the end there instead of one pointy one, and it's got 3 speeds, or 2 speeds, but it's hot. There's no cold. Okay, so my paint is not moving, but it's drying up. So I think I'm just going to go in with a straw and see how that goes. So dizzy. Alright, so I don't see any cells popping up. Oh, maybe there are a few. It's not coming up with that beautiful, delicate thingy. I just need to breathe for a while. Let me just turn this around. Sure. Pretty dizzy. My hairdryer is definitely not suited for this kind of blow. Make sure I don't put the wrong side of my mouth again. That's quite a blow. Sure. It actually looks very pretty. Seems to be quite a lot of paint on the surface. Okay, guys, let me give that a torch. And we'll see how that goes. I've got a feeling I've used too much paint because the paint is pretty thick. So I'll give it another go and try with thinner paint. Although the cells are popping up beautifully. Okay, so it hasn't come out the way I would have liked it to come out, although I think that these petals actually look very much like petals, so I'm quite happy with that. We'll see how this one dries because it's the paint is pretty thick. So yeah, those look like petals to me, like flower petals. And this one over here is quite pretty. And that one over there. and there are quite a few cells that have popped up. So I don't hate it. I just am not 100% happy with the outcome, so I'm going to be doing it again. And in the meantime, we'll see how this one dries. Here's some lacing going on. There's some lacing over here, lacing over here. So the longer it sits for, I noticed, the more effects come up. There's some more lacing over there and here. A lot of cells. So the colours, everything is pretty about it. Let's just see how it dries. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.